welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing another unboxing video because yesterday I received a surprise package from Lush. It was completely unexpected. They didn't even tell me that they were gonna send me anything. I just came back from a holiday on Thursday night and I received a text saying that my Lush package will arrive yesterday. So I was like, what Lush package? I didn't order anything. So turns out they decided to send me one of their Valentine's Day gift boxes, and the one I received is the Love Hearts gift box. So like I said, this was a completely unexpected package sent to me, so I wasn't told to do like an unboxing, a review, whatsoever, but I thought since I did an unboxing video for the Christmas collection last year, I thought I would do the same for their Valentine's Day. Also, I feel like me and Lush and Valentine's Day have some sort of special thing because last year Valentine's Day was actually the first time I worked with Lush, and the first video I did for Lush was a Valentine's Day video. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave the link down in the description box below. So for this year Valentine's Day, there are a total of 13 new products. Not really new, but like limited edition Valentine's Day products released on Lush. So in this box, it contains 5 bath products, and I actually took a look at the rest of their gift boxes, and I am really happy they decided to send me this one because if I were to name my favorite products from Lush, it would definitely be their bath products. And when I say bath products, I mean products that you can throw into your bath tub, and not really like shower gels or their massage bars or their facial mask. I mean, I really like their shower gels, but if I have to name my favorite product from Lush, like the products that I buy the most from Lush, it's definitely their bath products, like their bath bombs and their bubble bath. Those are my absolute favorite from Lush. So out of the 13 new products, 7 are bath products, so in here I have 5. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Valentine's Day products this year. First of all, how cute is the packaging? I think this will make a really great gift if you know anyone who loves taking bath. Like honestly, if my boyfriend got this for me on Valentine's Day, I would be so happy. I would give him like 1,000 brownie points. But if the person you're gifting to doesn't have a bathtub, you can always mix and match the other products like the shower gels and everything, and you can actually create your own like gift sets. They have like these cloths that they will help you wrap it up and form into like a gift set. So there are some new like the cloths released that are Valentine's Day theme. So yeah. Okay, so it comes with a little sheet of paper that tells you the products included as well as all the ingredients. Okay, so same thing as my Christmas unboxing video, I have my laptop down here with me so I can explain to you guys more about the products. Okay, so the first product I see in this box is the Rose Bombshell, and this is a really gorgeous bath bomb. Apparently when it fizzes into like a light and hot pink color, and inside it contains yellow rose petals, so it will float around in your bath after it is done fizzing. So obviously because this is called Rose Bombshell, it just smells like rose. It has like rose oils and floral oils in it, and in my opinion I feel like this smells exactly like their rose jam shower gel. Exactly. So if you love their rose jam shower gel, you will definitely love this one. The next product looks like a macaroon, and it is the Whole Lot of Love Bubbleroon. So oh my god, can I just say this is the cutest looking Bubbleroon ever. I think it's cuter than the snowman one during Christmas. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there are a lot of gold glitters on this stuff, so you bet your bath is going to be super glittery if you use this. And since we're at the topic of Bubbleroon, I thought I'd share with you guys my experience of using Bubbleroon and bubble bath. It took me a lot of tries to master how to properly use a Bubbleroon and a bubble bath. And so basically in the past, I would fill my tub until it's almost full, and then I would drop my bath bomb in it, and then I will crumble my bubble bar or Bubbleroon under running water to create bubbles. But every time I do that, I just don't get any bubbles. So right now I feel like I finally mastered how to properly use it. Instead of doing it right at the end, you have to do it right in the beginning, when your tub is filling up. You have to do it like right from the start. I notice when I do that, because when your tub is more empty, the force of the water going down onto your tub creates bigger splash, so that motion just creates more bubbles. Apart from that, I also like to run my hands in my bath when it's not full, when it's just slightly filled. I just like to like mess the water and like stir it around, and that really generates a lot of bubbles. So that's my tip. If you are using a bubble bar, Bubbleroon, and it doesn't give you bubbles, it's because you're not doing it the right way, and that's the right way. Okay, so back to our adorable Bubbleroon. This one smells like lemongrass and a little bit of floral, but I feel like it mostly smells like lemongrass, so it's very relaxing, very uplifting at the same time. And let's see. Yes, this one contains lemongrass oil, and it also contains organic shea butter, which is the thing in the middle, and it also contains rose absolute. I really like this one. I think I would love this one because of the lemongrass as well as the shea butter. Yums. The next product we have is a boat, and it's called the Love Boat Bath Bomb, and it's so cute. Oh my god, I didn't expect it to be like this size. I thought it would be smaller, and it's so cute. It literally looks like a boat, and it has like a heart shape on the tip. I'm just looking at the GIF or the video that they have on the Lush website, and it's just like floating on the water like a freaking boat. It's so cute, and when it fizzes into like a purple-ish, blue-ish, pinkish color. That is so nice. I love it. This one has a more like uplifting citrusy scent. So let's see. This one contains lemon oil, sweet orange oil, and rose oil. I like this one. This one's really nice. Okay, so we are left with two products. So the first one I'm gonna grab is this heart-shaped one, and this is called the Tisty Tosty Bath Bomb. So you can already see from the bath bomb, there are a bunch of rose buds on it, and at the back it's white in color, and at the front it's this really nice sweet pink color. It's a very floral-y scent. This one contains 7 rose buds, rose absolute, orris root powder, as well as jasmine absolute. I feel like they all smell pretty similar, probably because they all have like a floral fragrance, and this one will transform your bath into a really nice pink color, and then the rose buds will be floating all over your bath. So I feel like this would be a really romantic bath. So the very last product is one that I have used before, one that I've talked about before last year during Valentine's Day, and this is one of their best-selling Valentine's Day limited edition product, and it is the Unicorn Horn Bubble Bar. So this one probably is my favorite scent because this one has more of a relaxing fragrance. If I'm not wrong, it has like lavender or something. Let me check. Yep, it has lavender oil and it has ylang ylang oil. It's basically a very relaxing fragrance, which is what I love. So yeah, this is a bubble bar, and I feel like with this it's easier to break it into 2. Last year I did break it into 3, so I used one horn for like 3 different baths. But yeah, this one smells really good. Okay, so that is all for this gift box. I feel like with the products in this box, can definitely do like 2 baths or something. So, you know, I think it would be perfect to bring your partner to like a little staycation, and then you guys can have a really nice bath romantic bath. That's not what I'm gonna do because I have a bath here. So yeah, we have come to the end of this unboxing video. Everything will be linked down in the description box below, so if you're interested in any of the items, make sure to open the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye!